allowed to wear those.
Happening now on Today in Alabama, the Alabama Crimson Tide are national champions for the fourth time in 7 years. We'll have reaction from last night's big win over Clemson.
Time cold in place this morning, but it does get a little better by the afternoon. We'll walk you through your Tuesday forecast. Today in Alabama starts right now.
Live, local, now. This is WSFA 12 News. Today in Alabama.
Alabama fans in Tuscaloosa celebrating after the Crimson Tide beat Clemson in last night's championship game. As we mentioned before, this is the Tide's fourth national title in 7 years. Good morning and congratulations, Alabama fans. I'm Tanya Terry. Judd Davis, who happens to be a Bama fan, is off this morning. We're glad you're here with us on Today in Alabama. We'll get to the news in just a moment. Right now, let's get more on our weather as we start our Tuesday. WSFA First Alert meteorologist Eric Snidel in with that. Warm hearts out there for those Bama fans, but they're going to need a little more than that today.
Yeah, I think those hearts are about the only warm thing we've got going for us right now this morning. Downtown Montgomery, you can see the RSA building behind.